Kidneys are organs in the body that constantly filter blood. It does so by making sure that waste products exit your body from urine. When you live an unhealthy lifestyle, these toxins build up and make it harder for your kidneys to do their job. One of the ways to ensure that the kidneys function properly, however, is by staying hydrated and detoxing also, every once in a while. This habit can help prevent kidney disease, kidney stones, and toxic buildup within your body. Kidneys are a vital part of our body, which helps us discard all the toxins and excess salt from our body. However, in order to function better, they should be cleaned as well from time to time. Actually, kidneys absorb salts and toxins over time, as well as sand and stones. So, in order to avoid any inconvenience and serious pain, you should eliminate these harmful deposits. In this video presents you with a natural homemade recipe that will cleanse your kidneys and thus improve your work. Ingredients: a handful of parsley or coriander leaves. Glass of water. Preparation: chop the parsley or coriander into large pieces and place them in a pot. Pour the water over the leaves to cover them. Then, put the pot on the stove and leave it to boil for around 10 minutes. After about 10 minutes, remove it away from the stove and leave to cool, but leave it still covered. Once it cools, strain the mixture and store it in the fridge. The mixture should be consumed cold, 1 cup a day. After several days with regular consumption, the urine is going to change. This change comes as a result of a process of the body in which it ejects a mass poison from kidneys. You can also make tea from the ingredients. You just need to let the mixture stand still, covered, for half an hour. Moreover, it is recommended to drink this tea twice a month as part of regular detoxification. Parsley tea is another great health benefit in relieving menstrual pains and cramps. Nevertheless, if you suspect that you have kidney stones, you should be careful, since the tea will shake the stones, which means you may need to visit a doctor. So, during the consumption of parsley tea, you should also remember to drink plenty of fluids during the day, in order to maintain the proper function of the kidneys. Furthermore, even though the drink is completely safe and natural, it is advisable to avoid it during pregnancy. Moreover, not just parsley, but apples, lemons, and watermelon are also excellent kidney cleanses. On the other hand, olive oil contributes to the process of ejecting kidney stones.